What's going on, Mellow Marine fans? This is Pi Mokar, the sales manager here at Mellow Marine, and today I'm going to show you guys our very first 2024 Ri245 with the very new Predator Power Tower by Roswell Marine. Let's check it out. So here we are standing in this brand new 2024 Ri245 by Centurion Boats. Again, this one is equipped with a brand new tower by Roswell Marine. Short is PPT, but it stands for the Predator Power Tower. That does have a telescoping mechanism to it that you'll see all about. Walking over to the further back of the boat, as you can see throughout the interior stitching of this boat, you do have a new stitching decal throughout, which it is all fully adjustable by basing your stitching color throughout the interior of the boat. As you can see here, we also have the Roswell Clamping Board Rats 2.0 by Roswell. Right now I have the Phase 5 key by Sean Silvera in there right now. The outline of this boat is all stone gray exterior, all blacked out Predator Power Tower, and then you got Castano Brown, Whisper Gray, and black all heads accents throughout. Looking at some other new features for 2024 is one going to be this brand new bimini by Roswell that goes only with the new Predator Power Tower. That is fully set in stone. You never have to take this bimini cover off, but a neat feature is you do have a convertible mechanism right here where you can basically zip up and zip down in order to open up that actual sun view in case that driver or passenger in the boat wants to get a little bit extra sun. Something else new for this year is going to be a brand new windshield that we'll show you in some other drone shots, but another neat feature of it is that you actually do have a windbreak through the windshield right here. Just for those hotter summer days, you will have some air access through this little porthole right there. Another new feature for 2024 that I honestly personally love more than most of the other ones is this very accessible trash can right here. So in previous years, you would have actually your battery switch on the inside compartment of here. However, newly for 2024, you do have a whole new battery switch mechanism within the glove compartment, which we'll show you here shortly. So as you can see in this glove compartment right here, you do have a new battery switch mechanism here where you do have an on and off switch for your engine, an on and off switch for the house battery, and then an on off / auto for your automatic relay. Moving on to the side, you do have another external head unit that gives you kind of zone controls and everything else for your passenger to be able to set all your audio tunes for you. And then you have some ports right here, which is going to be a USB and an AUX in, and then as well as another USB and USB-C in port right there. So another new feature that I personally really love for whenever I am a passenger in the boat is going to be these new wireless charging pads that go inside the gunnel for inside the cockpit for all your passengers. So in between your 4 cup holders, you will have a wireless charging pad here, as well as on this side in the boat for at all times. So anyone in the back doesn't need to pass their phone up to get that all charged up. And then you also have some awesome backlit Centurion lighting in there that is now all newly RGB lighting for 2024, which is also, if you upgrade for their new underwater lights, you can make that all RGB as well. So now here we are sitting on the back end of this boat, which I know this has been a feature around for a year now, but again, it is still another favorite of mine, which are these flip-up seating right here, which you do have one on each side, which are retractable to any different size. But another neat part is you are able to add a table-based accessory right here, which is going to pop up an L-shaped bracket and present a table right here for you, which is right alongside your rear view mirror, which isn't going to hesitate or mess with any type of vision you'll see from the cockpit up there. Here we are now a little bit more elevated on this boat, but something I did want to point out with this brand new Roswell bimini top and tower is these board sleeves, which are set up a little bit differently than you would see on previous models, as well as your new light up top that is rotationable for your navigation light up there, but you still have access for your surf rope. Also, when you're walking into the boat, they do give you these nice grab handles right here, which gives you good access inside the boat. And then as well on the flip side of this bimini, I do have some storage pockets up here, which I'm able to zip up some important information, lake pass, rope, honestly, whatever you possibly may consider putting in here. It's a nice little pocket to store whatever goods. For the brief walkthrough of this brand new Ri245, now let's get this wave dialed in, get some B-roll shots, and show you what this wave looks like. Let's go.